So I'm in Wotton-under-Edge this morning, back in our old shop at the top of the high street, opposite the fish and chip shop, which is now occupied by Make and Mend. And I have the lovely Mary standing next to me, who is one of the partners. You've got a partner with you who is Helen. And she's not here today because she chickened out from the coming in front of the cameras, didn't she?
Yeah, but she was quite busy. She's got other family things going on. So.
Right, okay. So we are going to have a look round and see what you're doing and talk to you a little bit about it. And we're standing here in front of our Frenchic stall, and Helen and Mary stock the Frenchic paint, and we have a full range of everything here. And also, we are sort of coming in today to kind of show you a few extra bits that you may not have realised. For example, these things here are true colours of the wall paints. So they have their name on it. It's verdigris, this one. And these are peel it, stick it and love it. You literally peel the corner back and you can then stick it onto your wall and you can move it all around, see what it looks like in different lights. And then you can come in and you can order your paint through Mary or Helen. And a 2.5 litre tin of the wall paint will cost you $44.95, and they will take a prepayment, and we can then order it in for you. And we can either order it into the shop and you can come and collect it from here, or we can get it ordered and sent directly to your house. There is a minimum order. So the minimum order would be equivalent of having, let's say, a tin of wall paint, and or a tin of wall paint with a trim paint, or 3 trim paints, or 2 wall paints, whatever. So we can talk to you about that, but all the range of colours are here. We have the wall colour charts here as well. It's difficult to do with one hand. There we go, my able assistant there. I can't remember how many colours there are. I think there are 160 wall colours, and in actual fact they are the best wall paint. They're fully matte, they're fully scrubbable, they really are. So if your dog comes in and shakes mud all up the wall, you can wash it off, you can literally scrub it, and the paint stays on and the dirt comes off. And there's some beautiful, beautiful colours, and the coverage is absolutely fantastic. And we're coming up to that time now for spring. Have you noticed already, Mary, how people are sort of getting more into coming in and looking at the colours and choosing things?
Definitely. Yeah, they are coming in, just having a look, let them look at the charts, and then they'll say they'll come back and buy what they need.
Yeah. Fantastic. So come in and grab yourself a wall chart. I think there's a $1.95. And we also obviously have all the paints for painting your furniture with, and the alfresco paint, which is it's designed really to be fully weatherproof, so you can use it indoors or outdoors. We did a lot of kitchens last year, people coming in and using the alfresco to paint their kitchens with, but you can paint indoor furniture, but you can also paint your furniture outside and your UPVC front doors and your UPVC, this one that Mary painted earlier showing us the little colours, and sheds, concrete, your meter box cupboards, front doors, benches, metal, wood, you name it, you can do it with. It's just absolutely amazing. And these are $22.95 per 750ml tins. So that's just telling you about, we have the paint here. What we also have are lots of people who bring their pieces in here. Let's ask Mary, what do the people do when they come in here then? They bring in things that you sell for them, is that right? Or they rent space, or how does it work?
No, we've got a few people that we buy things from just to sell, really. It's just 2 people. Otherwise, mainly it's things that we make ourselves. That's why we called ourselves Make and Mend.
Right.
We mend things, we do alterations, curtains, clothing, lampshades. Helen is a brilliant crocheter, so she crochets that. I do the aprons, lampshades.
So lots and lots of handmade things.
Yep, and like upholstery as well. An old chair that can be painted. Obviously, we tell them to buy the paint. We've got a stall down there if you wanted to look at that.
Yeah.
But yeah, and then we just buy some things, and the children's clothes are all handmade.
So your daughter makes all those?
My daughter makes those. My very clever daughter. She's does all the alterations. Clever. She does basic upholstery. Yeah.
And
So
I
it's
think
Lots.
3 generations then, is it? Or 2 generations?
Two.
2.
And a budding nearly 10-year-old that does
Oh.
his little bracelets as well
Oh.
for us.
so. We'll have a little look round. I have to say it's really, really strange for me being in here because, of course, all the colours and everything are still exactly the same. So I painted all these diamonds on the floor. Honestly, it took forever, and I had backache for weeks afterwards. So when I come in, it's as if I'm still in my old shop, but it's not actually my shop anymore. And it's really odd because the last time I was in here, somebody came in and the doorbell rang. And I immediately kind of sort of leapt into the hello, do come in sort of thing, as if it's mine. And I have to keep reminding myself, nope, you're just visiting and you supply the paints here. Oh, thank you, thank you. So I did put my coffee down somewhere. I don't. Shall we start? Shall we just kind of slowly walk round with us because we'll have questions, so we might need you to help us with those. But I noticed you've got lots of flowering bulbs and things coming through, which is lovely. Look at those beautiful hyacinths. That's a pretty colour, isn't it? It's like a peach. Who grows those?
Helen.
Helen does she? Yeah. Am I right in saying that Helen lives on a farm or something? Yeah. Yeah. And I think that she must crochet in her sleep because she makes all these things, doesn't she?
Yeah.
And when we look around, all these bobble hats that she makes and scarves, yeah, they're absolutely amazing. And whenever I come in, she's always busy crocheting. I mean, look at the work that's gone into these scarves. It's incredible. And then we've got these beautiful cushions. We'll see some more of those when we're down in the other room. And you make the cushions, don't you?
Yeah, that's a new range. I'm doing some velvet. I'm just obsessed with velvet fabric at the moment and wildlife. So yeah.
And you do the lampshades to match as well,
yeah,
don't
I
you?
make lampshades to match a clock. There's a clock there.
Fabric clock.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll have a look at your lampshades. I've spotted a few. I love that geometric design that's up there on top of the paint cabinet.
Just something new I thought I'd try. Not everybody likes the William Morris.
Oh, I
fabrics.
don't know why, because I
Yeah,
do. I think
know,
they're gorgeous, but
yeah.
I like that geometric
Yeah,
design. That's
I tried
absolutely
it.
fabulous.
I bought quite a bit of that fabric, so I thought I'd try a lampshade first just to see, but I can make cushions in it.
I tell you what, as well, when people come in, if you find anybody that's really loving that lampshade, you need to find the corresponding peel and stick wall colours.
That's true.
And say
Yeah,
to
we
them,
do that.
have a lampshade as part of your highlight for your scheme, and work sort of backwards from there. Because there's quite a few colours I can see in there that we would have in the Frenchic wall colours, so that would be useful, wouldn't it? And then here we've got all sorts of bits of lovely jewellery and stuff. Now these are all made locally, I think, aren't they?
They are, yeah, by a very talented lady. These are Helen's.
Right.
So Helen does
makes those as
bits
well.
of jewellery as well.
Flipping heck.
Yeah,
How does she have time for life?
Yeah, and Helen's friend makes the ceramics. There's a lot more downstairs. Helen's octopus keyrings are quite famous. All the local school children like to come in and buy those.
So it's a great place for Mother's Day gifts and things, isn't it?
Definitely.
And then we've got over here, we've got these, which are, what are these? Are these aprons?
Aprons, children's, 2 sizes, adult ones. I sold out quite a lot of those, so I've just made those literally yesterday. I made those and put those on
What
the
a
rail.
lot of work. I love the fabrics that you use. And then what have we got over here? This is a new range, isn't it?
Yeah, this is East of India. We decided to buy a few more little gift things that are affordable. So, and we just love the wood. I love wood anyway, and the wire. So yeah, we thought we'd try that.
These little acorns, are they solid or do
They're
or do
solid
they
wood.
unscrew?
No, it's solid
They're solid wood.
And we've got the wrens and the robins. Obviously, you know that I'm obsessed with robins.
Yes.
Little robin in the nest, and the tiny wrens as well. Just little sentiments.
Yeah, lovely. Some really nice little bits and pieces there for gifts for people, aren't there? And then we've got these lovely children's tops that your daughter makes. And these are made out of stretchy fabric.
Cotton jersey. And
I like the Lego.
yeah, they're very popular. And now that we know that Nicola in the fabric shop just round the corner sells it, we try to buy what we can. Claire's got these all at 20% off at the minute.
Right.
In these designs because she
so
wants
that's £24, but with 20% off
so
that total.
any price on there is 20% off when you buy it.
And they've got hoods on as well?
Some have got hoods. There's a few t-shirts.
That's lovely. It's really, really nice.
Yes.
And then we've got more of these
Helen's.
fantastic bobble hats. She doesn't make these things, does she?
No, she doesn't. She buys those in.
Yeah.
But they are detachable, which is amazing. So obviously they're not washable, so it's got a popper.
Oh, look at
So
that.
you can detach that and then wash it.
I didn't
They
know.
are. I should know this, really. I think they're 11.
£12. £12.
Yeah.
£12.50. No, they're absolutely fabulous. And all the work that goes into that, and it's
And
still
she-
only £12.50. That's crazy.
She uses merino wool now, a new one, and they are from a good source. So not from the bad source. She's got a certificate to say that they're really good.
Oh, well, that's good.
Quality.
It's a sustainable sort of
Yeah.
wool and all that sort of thing. Okay, so let's go down now into the other room. The other thing that you've taken on recently is dry cleaning, isn't it? A dry cleaning service.
We do the dry cleaning service for
So
company.
how does that work? People bring their dry cleaning into you, you send it off.
Yep, it comes to be collected by the company. So dry cleaning, service wash locally and washing.
And then
Yep.
if it's dry cleaning, how quickly do you get it back?
If it's normal dry cleaning, usually if it's a Tuesday, it comes back the following Tuesday. But duvets and things can be up to 4 weeks
Right,
because
okay.
they take so long to dry.
Yeah, okay. So here we are in our big room, which obviously used to be full of furniture back when I was here. Now it's full of cushions, beautiful fabric cushions, and the lovely lampshades that Mary makes. You've got some furniture here as well, and I think you've always had an obsession with buying furniture to reupholster, haven't you?
It was just when my daughter started to do more upholstery, I just bought some things for her to practice because she used to make office chairs for a big company, so she was used to it. But like this one, for example, we think is too nice to take apart
Yeah, it's lovely.
to redo. So I just decided to sell it because I just haven't got room at home to
And
keep it
that's
now.
on at the extremely good value price of £95.
Yes, yeah.
And it's really pretty.
Yeah.
It's lovely. So walking on round, gosh, it does feel so strange to be here. It really does. You've got the same issue that I used to have when I was here with the windows steaming up. It used to be the bane of my life having to go around and try and wipe all the windows and sort them. But, you know, roll on the nice weather and suddenly that will all disappear, won't it? So you've got some lovely little glowy type lamp things here as well. And you've got lots of cards, some quite humorous cards. Few bits left over from FFF days I can see around. So, and what are these? These are little mats or...
They're coasters.
Oh, right, okay. So you can pick out the sort of the nearest looking dog
Yeah,
or cat
okay.
that you
And
have,
I've got
or a lovely
the-
lion there for Leo's.
Fridge magnets to match.
So basically, you've got all sorts of just lovely bits and pieces that people can come in and get for gifts for people.
Yeah, I've got an old Singer sewing machine that was a very loved family member that I was given it to have in the shop.
So that's not for sale.
No, definitely not for sale.
No.
Yeah.
Do you remember, Ginger, our mother had one of those, and we used to be downstairs, and she was in the little bedroom, called it the sewing room, and she'd be upstairs with her foot going mad on the treadle. It used to make the ceiling vibrate, and she had a mouthful of pins, and every so often the needle would break, and we'd hear her go, bugger, bugger, with a mouthful of pins.
I used to make all my own clothes from when I was 12.
Did you?
On one, not that one, but one the same.
Yeah, they're lovely old-fashioned things, aren't they? So we've got a range of sort of clothes over here. These are end-of-line clothes in all sorts of different sizes. We've got jeans, designer dresses, designer skirts, all sorts of things here.
These are just I bought from someone to help them out.
Right.
Because they didn't want them. And I think the shop, I'm not sure if
The shop
company
went into liquidation, didn't it?
So
Yeah.
they're at a good affordable price.
And then we've got the spinning wheel, which we had hoped you might do a demonstration on today,
I'm
but
not very good.
Helen's the expert, is she?
Yeah, and this is wool off Helen's sheep from her farm.
Is that
Yeah,
right,
she buys
really?
it, yeah.
And is she then selling that wool?
No, she just does it for the love of it.
Gosh, I don't know how she has time for everything else. So how long have you been here now?
November, I
So
think.
November.
Took over this shop.
How
last year.
different is it from working in the shop that you had before, which was teeny weeny
Yeah,
tiny,
it's
wasn't
nice
it?
to be able to display things. We've got more space.
Yeah.
How we fit it all into that little tiny shop, I don't know.
I don't know. No,
But,
I don't know.
Yeah, we can.
But you're
display
glad
it
you
more.
did the move.
Yeah, really glad.
Right.
Yeah, we love it. We love the space.
Okay, well, we will be popping in to see you regularly to stock up the
Okay.
paints, etc. Keep up the good work, and
Yeah.
everybody come and see Make and Mend at the High Street, top of the High Street in Wotton-under-Edge. Bye for now.
Bye.